Hello everybody, my name is Graham and I am the Mornington Traveller. Today the Mornington Traveller is at Flinders Street Station, actually on platform 10. There are two pedestrian subways at Flinders Street Station. One is the De Grave Street subway, the other subway is the Elizabeth Street subway. This subway runs between Flinders Street at the Elizabeth Street intersection, under the railway tracks through to the north bank of the Yarra, and connects to all the platforms of Flinders Street Station with ramps. Let's take a walk down the platform 10 ramp into the Elizabeth Street subway and turn left. Note the decorative tiling on the walls, which is continued in the subway itself. There is overhead mounted directional signage to show you which way to go. Left will take you to Northbank and right will take you through to Elizabeth Street. So here we are within the paid area of the subway, which is separated from the pedestrian walkway by this glass wall. This is the entrance to the Elizabeth Street subway from the north bank of the River Yarra, just near the Evan Walker Bridge, which is over here. This footbridge connects Northbank to Southbank. We descend the steps into the western unpaid part of the underpass. The underpass is divided down its length by a wall of decorative glass panels into the paid and the unpaid areas. Note the decorative tiling to the wall of the underpass. These glass panels were designed by ARM Architecture. I'll leave it to you to decide whether they did a good job or not. So we continue to walk northwards towards the Elizabeth Street exit. Perhaps I should say portal, as it is both an exit and an entrance to the underpass. At each ramp, the wall is divided to allow exit and entry through to the Mikey paid area. There is also a lift from the underpass to the street level if you don't want to take the steps. I don't want to go. We are now at the mini concourse at the Elizabeth Street level. And here's the busy intersection of Flinders Street and Elizabeth Street. So here is the entrance to the Elizabeth Street subway from the corner of Elizabeth and Flinders Streets. Watch the lady with the orange shopping bag. She is on a mission and knows exactly where she's going.
Yeah, there's no issue. You cannot.
We are now passing through the Mikey card readers into the paid section of the underpass. So we go down the steps and walk under the tracks, and we can enter the various platforms with the ramps on our left hand side. Whilst there is a break in the traffic on this very busy afternoon, I'll give you a close-up of some of the designs on the decorative glass panels, and also a close-up of the decorative Art Nouveau style tiling on the walls. We can turn left here and head east up the ramp towards platforms 2 and 3. And here we are now on platforms 2 and 3. I'm going to head back down the ramp and make my way to platform 8, which is where I catch my train. Thank you so much for watching this short video on how to use the Elizabeth Street underpass at Flinders Street Station. I hope you found it both enjoyable and informative. And if so, could I ask you to give this video a big like and even consider subscribing to my channel? I'd really appreciate that. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.